Suppress feelings, memories, melodies. Suppress feelings, memories, melodies. Suppress feelings, memories, melodies. Suppress feelings, memories.
I can't wake up and face the world. Feel like I'm stuck in a rut, I'm depressed with my status, earning peanuts, I gotta make changes. The way how I feel these days, I'm just so far away from all my dreams, and the darkness oozes from the depths inside of me. Nowadays I can't recognize me. On the fast track to 30, I was spiraling cause I wasn't where I wanted to be. Sometimes you go so fast and then you've gotta stop suddenly and peer through that smoke screen. Where are you heading? What are you doing? I was on the path to ruin cause there was no crossroads, and those pension plans had me on my toes cause they tell you how long you got to work until you're officially old.